Okay, so today it's all about e-liquids, and these e-liquids that I have came from Vape City, and ang pangalan ng e-liquids na is City Blend, just like this one. So I have 5 flavors for the City Blend: the Crazy Cotton Candy, the Melon Twist, and Creamy Coffee, the Crystal Cola, and last but not the least, the Tasty Tobacco. And so, bigyan tayo ng e-liquid. First in the line is the Crazy Cotton Candy. Again, this is low nic 50/50 PGVG, and this is how it vapes. That's weird. Well, the flavor of the Crazy Cotton Candy is parang ano siya, no? Parang siyang it's kind of a crazy mix talaga siya, no? It is a cotton candy, pero meron ka malalasahan na parang parang slight essence of mango, something like that. Now, if you smell the Crazy Cotton Candy, no? Mabango siya. The aroma is very good. Hindi siya masakit sa ilong. Now, for the vapor production, no, on a 50/50 PGVG mix, it is an okay vapor for me. Maganda yung vapor production niya. And the throat hit for me on a low nic is very parang mild for a low nic, no? Anyway, that is the Crazy Cotton Candy by City Blend. So next flavor will be the Melon Twist, which is also a low nic and 50/50 PGVG also. And we'll put in some drops. So the Melon Twist is more of a candy flavor, and this is the Melon Twist. The Melon Twist is masarap siya, no? I don't know if that is parang siyang mix ng fruity melon and I mean a real fruity a real fruit na melon, no? Or a candy or something like that. And definitely it has a touch of mint, so refreshing yung kanyang vapor, no? Now for the vapor production, it is also very good for a vapor production, no? Wow. What I like about this melon twist, the more you vape it, no, parang the more na na-enhance yung flavor niya sa palate natin, no. So, this is one good flavor, the melon twist. Now, for the throat hit, it is slightly higher than the Crazy Cotton Candy. Pero, meron siyang throat hit, no? Meron siyang TH, pero still on a low side. Also on the sweet side. So, para mo siya mapagkakamalan talaga na isang candy flavor. Pero once na you vape it more, doon mo marirealize na parang meron siya talagang parang fresh fruit flavor, no? Tapos enhanced with a little bit of mint and a well balanced sweetness for the melon twist. So that is the melon twist from City Blend. And for the third flavor, it is the Crystal Cola. Also on a low neck, 50-50 PGBG again. And then we will put in some few drops. So this is the Crystal Cola. It is a cola. Indeed, it is a cola, no? I don't know if natikman niya na yung cola na candy. I like the aroma of the Crystal Cola, no. Mabango siya sa akin, no? I don't know. Excuse me. Pero ang sarap ng amoy niya. So it is candy flavor and like what Wonky said, no, it tastes like yung Chupa Chups daw, pero I have not tried that, no. Ang na-try ko lang is the cola candy. Pero masarap siya for parang it is more of an e-liquid for the girls. And for the vapor production, it is same with the Crazy Cotton Candy, pero still the melon twist ay ang may pinakamagandang vapor production, no? And for the throat hit is almost none para sa akin, no? Well, we'll try it again. Yep, definitely very low ang kanyang throat hit, no? Maybe it is being overwhelmed by the cola flavor of the e-liquid, no? Anyways, that is the Crystal Cola. And the fourth flavor is the creamy coffee. Also on low neck, 50-50 PGBG again. And we'll put in some juice. So among the five, no, this is the darkest colored e-liquid, no, of the City Blend, no? And this is how it vapes. So that is the creamy coffee, and ang flavor niya is para siyang, I don't know what brand of coffee yung nalalasahan ko, no? Pero more of a parang roasted coffee, no? And it is topped up with a little bit of a cream, and it is on the sweet side also. And you know, there's this aftertaste of the roasted coffee flavor, no? And then malalasahan mo rin yung aftertaste ng cream, more of parang Nestle cream, no? So definitely a good coffee flavor para sa akin, no? And hindi siya ganun kapait. And actually this coffee flavor is a good parang pang reset ng iyong palate, no? Whenever you feel like parang nauumay ka na sa lasa ng ibang e-liquids mo, no? And then if you try this, if you vape this, parang mare-reset yung palate mo, no? In that sense, no? So another tooth. Really good, lalo na pagka-accompanied siya ng warm vapor, no? Para kang humihigop ng kape na medyo sobra sa asukal. Vapor production is also good, same as the melon twist, no? And the throat hit is good for its low nick level, and it is definitely going to be one of my favorites. So that is the Creamy Coffee by City. And last but not the least is the Tasty Tobacco, and this is my favorite among the 5 flavors, no? Actually, maamoy mo agad yung essence ng tobacco, no? Yung aroma. That's what I like about this Tasty Tobacco, no? So we will put in few drops. And this is how it vapes. Sarap. A bit more. So the Tasty Tobacco, no? Definitely a tobacco flavor. Yung flavor niya is para siyang it's a premium flavor, no? Na I can compare it to a certain imported e-liquid, no? Pero hindi ko nababanggitin, pero ganun siya kasarap, and I really like the aroma, no? Malakas yung aroma niya pero hindi overwhelming, and hindi masakit sa ilong, hindi nakakasawa yung flavor niya, no? So for the flavor, I like the mix of the tobacco, no? And it is also on the sweet side, no? So the 5 flavors of the City Blend is all on the sweet side. So yun ang niya, yung parang kanyang siguro yung kanilang signature for their e-juices, no, or e-liquid, no? Definitely good vapor production, and the throat hit is surprisingly a little bit milder than the Creamy Coffee, no? Pero definitely going to be my favorite among the 5, and definitely the most flavorful for me, no? So that is the Tasty Tobacco from City. Now my final thoughts, no, for the City Blend e-liquid. Well, the 15 ml bottle is a very good move, and it is inexpensive, no? For a price of 300 pesos, no, you'll get a 15 ml e-liquid, which is for me is mas mura. Pero meaning na mura siya, it doesn't mean na low ang kanyang quality, no. The packaging is okay for me. Medyo simplistic lang yung kanilang design, no? Pero it lacks a little bit of information, no, para sa e-liquid, no. For me, no, hindi siya parang tinipid na flavor, no. You will definitely taste the premium concentrates na ginamit, no. So most likely imported din siguro yung concentrate na ginamit, because definitely malasa siya, eh. So if you want to try out the City Blend, you can go to any Vape City branch, no. It is retailed at 300 pesos for every 15 ml juice, and they have these 5 delicious flavors that you can choose from. And if you are a tobacco lover, I will definitely recommend this Tasty Tobacco. And also very recommendable for me is the creamy coffee, no. And for the 3 flavors, the Crazy Cotton Candy, the Melon Twist, and the Crystal Cola, no, I like the Melon Twist. Hindi siya nakakaumay, although medyo matamis siya, pero definitely hindi siya nakakaumay. And then the 4th flavor will be the Crystal Cola, and the last is the Crazy Cotton Candy. So that's it for the City Blend e-liquid. Try it out, guys. Masarap siya. Definitely not a fly-by-night mixture, no. And really very recommendable yung juice na. So thank you, Vape City, for sending me these 5 flavors, no. I really like the 5 flavors of the City Blend. And I am Prince Rivera, aka The Great, of Pinay Vapers Forum. And keep on vaping and have a good day.